Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today our topic is Coulomb's law. Coulomb law we discuss before this. Coulomb law what define the forces between two charges is directly proportional to the magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to the distance between them. There are two parts. One is the force is proportional to either charge, both charges, either charge. F is directly proportional to Q1 and F is directly proportional to Q2. There are two charges, Q1 and Q2. So we say the either charge, the force is proportional to either charge Q1 and Q2, both, because their quantity, their product of quantity. If the charge is greater, the force is greater. If charge is greater, the force is greater. If charge is lesser, the force is less. So okay, then the second part of the law is indirectly proportional to distance squared between them, that is 1 over d square. Here we say, if sometime we say here r square, that is 1 over r square, but here we say f is inversely proportional to 1 over d square. यहाँ में हम क्या बात करते हैं, कूलम लॉ. कूलम लॉ क्या कहता है, द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शंस और रिपल्शंस, फोर्स अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शंस की डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू चार्जेस एंड इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दैम. तो हमारे पास दोनों चार्जेस के जो मकदार है, मजमूआ है, प्रोडक्ट है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू चार्जेस, उनकी मैग्नीट्यूड के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है. अगर चार्जेस ज़्यादा होंगे तो हमारे पास फोर्स भी ज़्यादा होगी, और उनके दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस, स्क्वायर डिस्टेंस है, उसके इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. जितना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस होगा उतनी फोर्स कम होगी, जितना डिस्टेंस कम होगा उतनी फोर्स ज़्यादा होगी. ये हमारे पास कूलम लॉ डिफाइन होता है. आगे कहता है, जब दोनों को हम इकट्ठा करेंगे, व्हेन वी द कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ दीज टू फैक्टर्स on the force of attraction repulsions between charged particle is called Coulomb law. When we combine two, force is proportional to Q1, Q2 and 1 over r square. There is d, we change it r. There is no problem. We can write d and we can write r. This is not a difference. Sometime d representing, sometime r representing, but this is both represent the distance. Here F is the force of attractions or repulsions, and the Q1, Q2 is the magnitude of charged particle, and r is the distance between charged particle. Here we can write d. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Here we can write r, and r we can write d. Okay, no problem. The students, here we say that when both forces we combine, here the F is direct when the force, those two equations combine, these two equations combine, F is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2, and F is inversely proportional to 1 over d square. When both combine, here F is directly proportional to Q1, Q2 divided by r square. ओके, जब दोनों को हम इकट्ठा करेंगे तो Q1, Q2 का प्रोडक्ट मैग्नीट्यूड और डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द स्क्वायर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू चार्जेस, ये आ जाएगा. अब अगर इसको हम ख़त्म करें, जो प्रोपोर्शनलिटी है, द कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी, यू नो, व्हेन वी रिमूव दिस, वी पुट अ कांस्टेंट, प्रोपोर्शनलिटी कांस्टेंट. Here the constant is k. Here the constant is k. F is equal to proportionality change into equal to, and the proportionality constant is put here, that is k. Now k into Q1, Q2 over r square. F is equal to Q1, Q2 over r square. Okay. Here I want to introduce, I want to tell you that here is only we make your concept clear. Okay, what is the Coulomb law? Coulomb law give you this equation and this relation. Okay, this is the short lecture, and we discuss in the next lecture inshallah briefly. Okay,